Who doesn't love long and beautiful nails? And growing them long and strong can take forever. That's why women are interested of getting artificial or press-on nails done at home. And for a salon worth long artificial nails, nail glue is one of the most essentials in your kit. So we came up with the 5 best nail glues that are durable, strong, and reliable. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Kiss Products Maximum Speed Nail Glue is ideal for all types of bonds and repairs your nails. It takes care of your cracked or broken nails. It is specially featured with Power Flex technology that helps to dry out quickly while securing a hold. Its formula also contains unique antifungal ingredients that won't let any fungus to grow. And the extended nozzle provides precise application that makes it easy to handle without any mess. It is also hydroquinone-free. This nail glue has received many positive reviews as users love how securely it holds the bond. It is also long-lasting and super quick, but as it goes, a few of the users were disappointed with their purchase. How to use. Apply a thin, even layer of glue onto the natural nail. Apply another layer of glue onto the artificial tip or the glue-on nail, and press and hold for 5 seconds. Now it's time to rate this product. In terms of user acceptance and value, this product gets 4 out of 5 stars. But in terms of price, we will gladly give it 5 out of 5 stars. Our next favorite nail glue is the most durable. It's the Cala Super Nail Glue that won't budge until you decide to take them off. It's a fast-drying formula and comes with a strong hold. It is specially formulated for acrylic nail tips and it creates minimal air bubbles while applying. The Cala Super Nail Glue is liked by many users as it strongly holds the press-on nails. They also liked how long-lasting the glue was and is worth the value. But then again, some users complained that the product dries up just a little too quickly. How to use. Apply 1 drop to the end of a clean, dry, natural nail and press down on the artificial tip for 4 to 10 seconds to bond it. So let's check out the ratings for this nail glue now. We absolutely loved and accepted the product for the great formula and price it comes with. And we have given it a rating of 5 out of 5, but it falls a bit on the side of value. So we'll give it 4 out of 5 stars on that. If you love doing nail embellishments without worrying to damage your beautiful nails, the Makartt nail glue might be a great option for you. This acrylic nail glue is made of ethyl cyanyl acrylate that does not harm your natural nails. It has a strong and firm bond that lasts for quite a long time. It comes with a built-in brush that makes it super easy to apply on acrylic nails, press-on nails, gel polish, and nail art. Users on Amazon highly appreciate this nail glue, and it has gained quite the popularity in recent times. They love the fact that this product is safe for nails. They also are quite satisfied with the adhesion of the glue. But besides all of these, a few of the users were not satisfied, as it didn't last for a very long time. How to use. For artificial nails, apply the nail glue on the upper end of a nail tip, and press the nail tips on the nail and hold it for 5 seconds. It's time to rate this product. In case of user acceptance and price, we will gladly give this product 5 out of 5 stars. But in terms of value, our rating is 4 out of 5. The NYK1 Nail Bond Acrylic Nail Glue is our next preferred nail glue that provides protective holds for a perfectly strong bonding of the nail. It is specially formulated with antifungal properties that help to keep bacteria from breeding in the layers between your natural press-on nail and your nail. The glue is strong, reliable, and long-lasting, which can be easily used for gemstones and split nail repairs. It comes with a fine precision brush applicator that makes it easy to apply and save you from mess. The glue is also water resistant and dries within a blink. Users are in love with this product and its formula. They appreciate how strongly it holds the nail while lasting for a long time. But some of the users were still not happy with the outcome. So how to use? Apply it to an oil-free surface, coat both the nail and the tip. Apply a tip 45-degree angle, pressing the air out, and then squeeze the sides for 5 seconds. Okay, so let's check out the ratings. We absolutely love this product and cannot get over the benefits it provided. Also, it comes in a very affordable price, so altogether, we will give this product a 5 out of 5 rating. Our top pick for today's video is the Nailene Ultra Quick Nail Glue, a hugely popular product that has been preferred by users around the world for its exceptional holding power. This nail glue is made with a special formula that dries within seconds while being super strong. It also provides long-lasting strength throughout the regular day-to-day activities. The precise tip applicator makes it super easy to apply, and it's pretty hassle-free. And a little amount of this glue goes a long way. This nail glue has earned so much popularity and positive reviews that it stands out among all of the other products recommended by users. They love how the nail glue holds artificial nails on while being long-lasting. And also, it's great value for money. Though besides thousands of positive reviews, a few users were not satisfied with their product. How to use? For artificial nails, spread a thin layer of glue over the nail. Press and hold for 5 seconds. But to repair a nail, place a drop on the break or tear. Hold repair in place with tweezers for 5 seconds and then buff the area smooth. Now it's time to rate this nail glue. We really loved the formula of this product and also couldn't get over the overall goodness. Plus, it's a reasonable option for buyers, so we would like to rate this product a 5 out of 5. So those were our top 5 nail glues. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.